And now it's time to create our website's pages like home page, contact us page, and so on and so forth. So on left side in our WordPress, we will find pages. If we click all pages, we will find these two pages in here. Those are actually default pages that we don't need at all. Before we delete these pages, we're going to be creating our pages first. So let's click on add new. And that interface that we see in here called Gutenberg. And all we need to do in here is to type our page's name. So for example, I'm going to create home page just by typing in here. Then simply guys, all you need to do is to click publish, then click publish again. And that's it. We don't need anything else to do with that Gutenberg for now. Now we have a page within our website called homepage, and you can see its link as well in here. So you can see your website's name /home. And let's go ahead and add another page to our website, add new. And let's maybe call this one contact us page. And if you're wondering about these other options in here, well, basically Gutenberg or the classic editor was used to build your website's contents along with your blog posts in WordPress in the old days, of course, but these days people are using page builders to build their pages right in the front end, as we're going to do in that course, or they are using themes to build their websites. Because frankly guys, using Gutenberg or even the classic editor, which is the older interface of Gutenberg, and if you have any previous experience with WordPress, you can install the classic editor plugin to get that log back and keep using the classic editor as it was. So using that editor in here, either Gutenberg or classic editor, is not going to give us the most beautiful website. So instead we're only using that Gutenberg in here to only create our pages. And maybe you can use it as well for creating our blog posts to have a blog within our website. But anyway guys, let me give you a quick tour in here. If you'd like to add more blogs to your web page, you can click on that plus in here. So here you have your page's title. You can click plus and you can select from either adding an image, for example, or paragraph, or even you can scroll. You'll find more other elements to select from, like common blocks, adding maybe a video or widgets if you'd like to add a short code, calendar, and so on and so forth. So let's maybe add an image from here. You can either upload that one from your computer or insert a URL, or maybe select from your media library, which is your uploaded files to your WordPress. Then you can keep adding more blocks to your Gutenberg by clicking that plus. Let's maybe insert a paragraph. You can start typing in here your paragraph and you will find more options for each and every block on right side. So here we have block. You can select your font size, drop a cap. You can change your colors and you will find even more advanced options in here, like adding additional CSS class or simply a code to customize your visuals even better. And you can find also more settings up there, like selecting bold for your type, italic font, or linking your type to some link. And anytime you would like to undo anything, you can click in here or redo your steps as well from here. This is very obvious. And here also you'll find, instead of blocks settings, you'll find document. So by selecting that one, you're controlling your page even more. So instead of having your page as public, you can select to make that one either private or password protected. And also you can delete your page, of course, from here. Then you have permalinks. We've covered them as well before. So this is how your page's link will look like. Your website's name /contact us. And this is also called slug, as you can see. Or even you can add a featured image for your page. But remember guys, we're not going to be using that interface or that Gutenberg to build our web pages. Instead, we're going to be using an amazing page builder to build our website. And it's going to be way easier than that. This is just me giving you a quick tour in here. If you'd like to skip that tour, go ahead and just publish your page. And you know what guys, this is actually what I'm going to do right now. Not to overwhelm you guys with so many data. So let me get rid of these blocks in here, selecting that block in here, then going to more options, remove block. and same as well for that one. And let's go ahead and publish that one. Publish again. If you don't like to press publish again, you can always disable that one. Now let's go ahead and create one more page for our website. So going to add new, actually you can click in here as well, that plus icon, then clicking page. And let's call this one about us page. Publish. And now moving to creating our website's menu.